Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide your caller ID or phone number on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then tap on the phone application. Next, we're going to tap on the option key at the top. And from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. In call settings, go down and tap on supplementary services. Now, if you are with some of the network carrier, some of them may not have supplementary services. It may call something else, but in my case, it is supplementary services. And then in here, you tap on show your caller ID. And then from here, you can choose network default, never, or always. Now, network default is always showing your number. So if you want to hide your number, you would choose never. Otherwise, you would choose always. That means your number will always be revealed to the other people, and that's it. So that's how you can change it. I'm going to choose network default, and that's how you can show or hide your caller ID or your phone number when you are making a call to another person. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.